TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman, Tiger Financial News Network, noontime update coming here. I am the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour. It'll follow straight after this update, and the author of the opening call daily newsletter. The Dow is down 55 after being up quite sharply in the 170 area. It actually went all the way to 28,174. Now it's at 27,890, down 50. What we're looking at is that very sharp sell-off, and I drew this in, I discussed it yesterday, has a very strong possibility of making the pattern that I call the dreaded H. I'll talk about that in my show, and also Wednesday, the 16th, I'll be doing an all-day webinar, and you can go to the front page and check it out. And what we're looking at here is that the weekly chart is almost certainly going to make a peak E, but that doesn't make a difference. What makes a difference is if in the next week or so, you start to see the Dow trading. It doesn't even have to close. It has to start trading the 26,900 area. That'll be very significant for this weekly chart technically, because that'll start to challenge the very strong technicals that are there now. Let's look at the S&P. The S&P is sitting right on the, it got reversed from the 14 and 9 period exponential moving average, which has just crossed negative. We've been waiting for that for ages. The S&P is down 87 at 3398. This is going to be very important because right here, I thought I drew it in. I think I drew it in the SPY. Let me just do it here on the S&P cash. Yep, I'm expecting some kind of reversal. In other words, the top that was made on the 2nd and 3rd of September in many of the indices, I think that top is there to stay for at least a little bit, because most of those weekly charts are looking as if they're about to see some kind of deterioration in the technicals. They don't have to cross negative, but certainly 3280 will be significant as a support level in the S&P. QQQ right now is trading up $1.33, 279.28. It got hit such a vicious attack from 303 down to 271. This is just a rebound. I think it could still test the 283 level, which is where the 9 and 14 period moving average are, but they've just crossed negative. Days young in all these situations. Let's see if they continue this way. IWM right now is showing a little bit of strength, up 40 cents, but it really doesn't look great. And gold, this is going to be very interesting because gold, as I said, is in a range. It's holding well. It's up today 13 points at 1968. We'll talk a lot more about this and bonds when I get back for the Tiger Technicians Hour, and I hope to see you then.